back to the channel. Just want to say big thank you to everybody who already subscribed to the channel. You know what I mean? I'm looking forward to share some crazy content with you, help the channel grow. Yes, again, big thank you again for the subscribers, you know, that have been liking the videos, sharing the videos, you know what I mean, and help this channel grow with me, you know what I mean. So I want to say again, big thank you. So last night I picked up a load. I didn't get a chance to shoot that because it was a little bit too dark out. However, I picked that load up. It's going to North Carolina. Just a little update. I'm in Ohio now. I'm in some back roads. I'm on Highway 196. It's a little farm town. A little country area. Yeah, pretty nice town though. It's beautiful around here. It's really nice, you know. That's the thing with the job. I enjoy just driving in these, you know, back roads, you know, just looking at landscape. There's a lot of farming going on around here. It's taking place around here. So yeah, that's pretty much it. So I'm gonna just flip the camera and show you guys what's going on ahead of me, you know what I mean? So yeah, that's really it. That's open land. Overall, I'm gonna do like 500 miles today and shut down. So maybe I shut down somewhere in West Virginia area, and wake up tomorrow and take it from there. I'm supposed to drop by 10 o'clock tomorrow morning. There's another driver gonna pick this load up. So yeah, that's really it. So yeah, as I said, we out here. Yeah, so this is a quick stop at Love's just to get a shower. So yep. So just take a shower, take my 30 minutes break. All clean and new. Cheers to Monster for that. Yeah, so actually I'm about to hit the road again. I won't stop until maybe the next 5.5, 6 hours. Yeah, so that's that. I won't stop until I'm shutting down for the night. As I said, I'm driving 500 miles today. So yeah, and yeah, this Love actually, this where I'm at, it's a Love's truck stop. This Love's, they said I was right. It opened last year November. It's pretty new, and the bathroom are really nice. You know what I mean? So when people ask me, where do you sleep? Yeah, so I'm actually in a parking spot. So that's where we normally park up. We want to go inside, get food, you get your shower, you get some coffee, and that's it. You know, you just chill here for take you 10 hours. You're not like, even some of those drivers, you know, if they are taking they're on their 10-hour break, or maybe waiting on load or something. Instead, I'm in West Virginia. Sorry, West Virginia actually. So Jamaican restaurant nearby. See if they have any soup. That's the thing. Some good pea soup today would be great. Really good if I could get some pea soup. Yeah, that's really it right now. You know, as I said earlier. Drop my load. I think I'm gonna shut down for the day. I just start, but I doubt if I'm going to get to the load. Now, only if I'm getting something going. If I get something going south, you know, that would be great.
1 mile ahead, take exit 14 and then turn left on North Carolina 274 West Westford City Road.
That's so messy out there. Oh. Exactly from where I'm going. So I'm going to exit at like 107. Nobody spin out in that exit. Definitely don't want that. So yeah, that's what we are dealing with today. Today. This is it. This is it. And it's ridiculous. Freaking cold, man. Damn. So yeah. That's it. Alright, somebody spinned up there and messed up. Lined up pretty bad. And you know, wherever you go, you're going to get there. It's wild out here in Georgia, boy. Crazy. Just outside Atlanta, about 50 miles outside. 85 about. But so yeah, that's the traffic coming out of Atlanta.
Race 45 miles ahead. Stay on I-85 south as it bears left.